Okay, welcome to Seoraksan National Park. This is my overnight hike, and now I'm finishing my 2-day loop. Just wanted to show you the scenery here in autumn with the foliage, all the leaves turning color, bringing this place to life. It's really beautiful. It's probably the best time to do any hiking in Korea is during autumn. And I'll tell you more about my route. I will upload a full video on YouTube. I'm currently doing like a 30-kilometer loop, and I stayed at a hiking shelter, and I conquered the highest peak of Seoraksan, apparently the third highest mountain in South Korea. And also I did the Dinosaur Ridge route, which is apparently the most difficult hike in Korea. It takes people like 15 hours to do. I did it in 8 hours, so I'm quite chuffed with myself. And there's 4 shelters in this national park, and they're building a new one near the peak. So yeah, I will upload a full video, and you can find all the information there, from how to get here, public transport, what to pack for the shelters, what to expect. I'll even show you the shelters. This is just a 360 video so that you can appreciate the scenery here when it comes to hiking in Korea in autumn. And the nice thing about doing the multi-day hike is that there's less people compared to the day hikes. And look, you have access to the rivers and you can swim. You know, when you do the day hikes, they barricade the rivers off, and there's signs saying no swimming. But over here I was told people do swim quite openly. So yeah, there are some pools, so at least you can freshen up. Flowing water. Now let's see how this looks when I put the camera behind me. Just a bit worried that I might hit a branch because I can't see what's behind me. Can you hear the river? It's to the right of me. And I think we're going to be passing some waterfalls today. I think 2 waterfalls and another shelter we're going to be passing. So maybe I'll take another 360 video at the waterfall. There's quite a few waterfalls on this hike. Korea's tallest waterfalls here. So far I've seen 3 waterfalls. I think I'm going to see 2 more. And there's plenty other ones depending on which entrance you start, which route you take. Yeah,